Trevor comes all the way from the Czech Republic. Look at this. That is insane. I got fan mail. Let's open it. I don't really know. I don't really know what they're referring to. A table, sunglasses and water are not required. This will be a short video. Hi Andy, greetings from Budweiser. I just wanted to say a big thank you for all your hard work and efforts on the Unplugged EV series regarding the Outlander PHEV. I've only had mine for a couple of months, but with 30% discount ex-showroom model, but have learned so much about it through watching your videos. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul. Plus, it is very interesting to see around your part of the world too. I've probably watched over half of your videos in the last 3 months. There's a lot of content. I know, I made it. And I really enjoyed your videos. I really hope you're enjoying the Tesla, but it's a shame there's no more PHEV videos. I do have one question for you, if I may. Why did you always seem to charge the PHEV at night? Well, I do the same with the Tesla. Seeing you have a photovoltaic system, it seems strange. Cheap night tariff? Question mark? Anyway, keep safe, keep healthy and keep charged. All the best, Paul. Excellent, Paul. Thank you very much for your letter. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much for your letter and your photo of your cockpit, I think. Let me quickly explain. So we got our house here with a solar system, and the solar system is directly connected to the house. So whatever I produce here will be used in the house. Now, of course, the solar system produces more energy than the house uses. So the excess energy of the solar panel goes into a meter box and from there into the grid. So of course at the moment I'm trying to export as much energy as possible because at the moment I'm getting 56 cents per kilowatt hour I'm feeding into the grid. So I'm trying to use as less power as possible during the day to maximize my export. If I would charge the car from here, that's the PHEV or the Tesla. If I would charge the car from here, I would export less. While during the night, when I have to buy the energy back from the energy supplier, I'm paying only 20 cents per kilowatt hour. And that's why I charge the car during the night, because then it costs me only 20 cents per kilowatt hour to charge the car and not 56 as during the day. Yeah, my drawing is not very good, but we still have the lemon whiteboard here. Yeah, Paul, does this make sense with the tariff and the feed-in stuff for my solar panels? That's why I charge only during the night. Anyway, Paul, thank you so much for your letter and the photo of your cockpit, of course. I haven't seen this for a while. I've got your email address on here, so I will reply to your letter via email very soon. And I wish you all the best with your Outlander PHEV. And thank you for still watching my videos. And while we are on this topic, let's destroy some more names here. You may remember the video I made, it was episode 37 something. That was about the participation on the Smart Charge research program here from Energy Queensland. And I offered you to use my referral code to sign up for this program and get $100 from them. And well, what should I say? A couple of people have done this, and I promised you to destroy your names here on the channel, so here we go. The first person I sent this referral code to was Peter. Peter from Brisbane. He's got an Outlander PHEV. He's watching my channel for years now. And I've sent him the email and said, look, if you want to participate, they are looking for PHEV drivers. Here's my code. And he replied the day later and said, yeah, I already got accepted. So thank you very much, Peter, for participating and using my referral code for that. And then we had Andrew, who is also a Patreon of my channel. He also applied for the program and used my referral code. Thank you very much for all your support, Andrew. Much appreciated. And Jason and Rob used also my code, but they got rejected because they both drive Teslas. Obviously, Energy Queensland had already enough of these sort of vehicles. Then a couple of days later, they replied and said, oh, we got in. They got a message from Energy Queensland and said, yep, we accept your application and you are in. And they used my referral code too. Thank you very much to Rob. Thank you very much to Rob and Jason. And also thank you to Arnie, what's this called? Arnie Swart. Thank you, Arnie Swart, for using my referral code. He's got an Outlander PHEV 2014. Same as I used to have. And Arnie Swart is also waiting for the Cybertruck. Yep, that'll be awesome, right? And then we have Clayton De Cruz. Thank you for using my referral code. You're still waiting for your $100, but I think you got it already now. You messaged me later on and said, yep, they are in the middle of processing the payments now, and you should have your money by now. So thank you, Clayton. And thank you very much to Matt McLaughlin. Thanks, Matt, for participating and using my referral code. PHEV 2020 at the Gold Coast, not far away from here. Thank you very much, Matt. That's awesome. And also my good old friend Ralph has signed up using my referral code for this research program with Energy Queensland. You may remember Ralph from the episode, this one here. He's using his Outlander PHEV to power his home in case of a power loss. I made a whole episode about what he's actually doing there. If you haven't seen the video, it's down in the description below. Thank you, Ralph, for using my referral code. And last but not least, I would like to thank Thomas with his Nissan Leaf, imported from Japan recently. He used my referral code as well to sign up for the program, but got rejected. A couple of days later, they accepted him as well, because I think they haven't found enough people with PHEVs, plug-in hybrids, to participate in this program. So they filled everything up. They filled the empty spaces up with battery electric vehicles. He is also a supporter on Patreon. Yeah, well, I could only find these 8 people who have left a message, but all in total, I had a lot more referrals actually than only these 8. Yeah, so all in total, I had 13 referrals for this research program. And that is totally insane. That is totally insane. 13 people have used my code to sign up for this program. So Energy Queensland have now sent me $750 onto my account. I thought about maybe 5 or 6 people will use the code, you know, that's all. But obviously I have a lot more support here in this local area than I thought. So thank you very much for everyone signing up for this program and using my code. That is insane, $750. This includes the $100 everyone gets. Yeah, so I thought about what am I doing with all this money now? Do I spend this on the Teslander now and buy full self-driving? No, probably not. No. I have started a new channel here on YouTube, and now it's totally insane, right? So what I did with this money is I ordered a battery. I ordered a battery for this new YouTube channel, the Off-Grid Garage with Andy. And one battery is already here, but I'm waiting for another one. I ordered another one. I was so impressed with the first delivery of this battery, I ordered a second one to have more capacity, because what I'm trying to do is here taking the whole garage, I will disconnect the whole garage from the power grid and will run it solely from solar panels and this battery I bought with your help. Later on, I have also planned to charge the car from this system. We may have to add more solar panels and more batteries, but this is something I would really like to do. But this was always a big dream of me, to charge the car directly from solar and battery power. So guys, if you are interested in these sort of things, I link my new channel down below and you're welcome to subscribe. It is free. So if you don't have any exposure to electronics, to a solar or battery system, doesn't matter. I will start from zero and I'll bring you up to a level where you can start planning or building your own solar and battery system at home. Okay, I think this is enough advertising here on the Unplugged EV channel for the Off-Grid Garage. Yeah, and then lastly, I had some issues with the Teslander recently for a couple of weeks now. This is in regards to a Sentry Viewer problem. Was it yesterday? I think the day before yesterday. I logged a ticket with Tesla via the Tesla app. I took some photos of the issue, logged this service ticket with them, and they got back to me this morning and said, Andy, we've got good news. We have just pushed out a software update onto your Teslander. And I looked up the app, and really the Teslander got the very, very newest update, 2020.36.11 it is. Yeah, the brand newest update. So, and this is very interesting because I read before, yeah, they are not able to push out software updates to single cars. This can only be done from the engineers, but not from local countries. Obviously this is wrong because they have pushed out the software update. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is, but there's nothing new in this update. This is just a dot. Yeah, it updated from .10 to .11 now. Auto steer stop sign and stoplight warning. So if the car thinks you are too fast approaching a stoplight or a traffic light and it's red, the car will alarm you with a chime or with a red symbol here on the display. But that doesn't stop the car, it's just a warning. And we also have the cruise set speed improvements. You tap on the speedometer and it adapts the speed into your maximum speed of the cruise control. So these are the updates which were already there. Let's have a look at the launch viewer now. Yeah, see, now it's working. Now I've got the pause button and the timeline down here and the bin as well to delete the actual footage. This was not there anymore. The whole white area down here was not there anymore. So I can now go and delete because I've watched this footage already, but I haven't watched the other ones. So obviously this has fixed it now. As I said, I had this about 4 or 5 times now that it kept working for a couple of days and then it dropped out again. As soon as I got in the car and there was a message, you've got Sentry events, I could not delete anything because this whole timeline situation down there was just not there. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this as well today. What an exciting day. We've got fan mail from Paul, we've got heaps of money on the account thanks to you guys, and Tesla pushed out the newest software update to the Teslander, which hopefully fixes this issue. Yeah guys, so far this update from today. As always, thank you so much for your support here on the channel, on Patreon, and people who have used my referral code. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Andy from Unplugged EV Australia signing off. You stay charged and safe, and we will see us again in the next video very soon. Thanks again guys. See you then. Bye bye.